Good morning, students. Yesterday we have completed till here, isn't? Now I'm going to start after that. We were doing this poem, The Wasp and the Bee, from a reader textbook. It's lesson number 4. This is the poem, which is written by the Jane Taylor. And one more thing about this Jane Taylor, very interesting thing. That do you remember the poem that's Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? These words, this poem also was written by, that is the Jane Taylor. Okay, the words for this song, this has been written by the Jane Taylor in 1806. Okay, so Jane Taylor has written this poem. So now let's read after that. That is, if I were but half as much mischief to do, you have a fine shape and a delicate wing. So when the wasp, he is asking the bee that in spite of having such an elegant look, isn't such a nice dress, such a nice outfit, why the people they don't like me, why I am always disliked by the people, and even you are so simple, then also you are loved by the people. So in response, what the bee has given the answer, just see here, you have a fine shape and a delicate wing. What bee is saying, that you are having a fine shape and a delicate wing. Delicate means very fine in texture or the structure. So in spite of having such a fine wings, good texture of your wings, such a nice structure to observe, isn't such an elegant look, you are not liked by the people, and they own you are handsome. But then there is one thing which they cannot put up with, and that is your sting. And what the poet is saying, sorry, not the poet, this bee, she is saying to the wasp that along with all these qualities, isn't, do you know one more thing you are having, that is your sting. And sting is the thing because of which the people they used to fear from you and they don't like you, isn't, because every time you are just ready to bite them, and just due to the fear of the pain, the people they don't want to come near you, or they feel afraid because of you, and they don't like you, isn't. Even when sometime you just enter into the rooms, this wasp, then the people they want to just get rid of it, isn't, because it can harm anyone. That's why it's having a harmful nature, means it's having a nature to harm others. That's why the people they don't like him, that's like they don't like the wasp. Now I put it at once to your own common sense. If you are not so ready at taking offense, then the bee is saying to the wasp that just use your common sense and think that if you are not so ready of taking the offense, offense means crime or the wrongdoing, that if just think by yourself, use your common sense and think that if you are not ready of taking at this offense, if you don't do this crime, this wrong thing, I mean, what is the crime that the wasp is to do, that is to sting others, to bite them, as to sting them on every trifling pretense. And what you used to do, you just bite them on every trifling pretense, isn't, whether it's important or unimportant. Trifling means here that is unimportant, and the pretense means an activity which is not true, but you, when you want to just make it true or want it or prove it, just that is the true. Though my dress is so homely and plain as you see. This line, this is said by whom? The bee is saying that though my dress is so homely and plain as you see, The bee is saying that as you can see that my dress is so homely, so plain, so simple, isn't? And I have a small sting. They are not angry with me. This bee is saying that as you can see here that my dress is so simple, I'm so homely, and I'm also having a small sting on my head. But then also people, they don't fear from me, or they are not angry with me, because I'm busy and a good natured bee. And what this bee is saying through this small poem, through this poem about the wasp and the bee, through this small creatures, a very big message has been spread, that the good natured bee, why this bee is loved by the people are not feel angry with him, because she is having a good nature, isn't? So from this pray, let ill-natured people be aware, because I'm sure if they do not take care, they will never be loved if they are ever so fair. And what this message, what's the message has been conveyed to the poem, that it is conveying the message to those ill-natured people also, isn't? Ill-natured people has been here, this wasp, she has been compared with this ill-natured people, that doesn't matter how much fair they are, but if they are not good from their nature, they are never being loved by the people in the society. So along with all the qualities, isn't, it doesn't matter that how beautiful you are, how elegantly you are dressed, isn't? The nature, behavior, your manners, it also matters a lot in the society, isn't? As might be you have seen also in your class that all the students, they are not in good in studies, isn't? But some of them they are very good, some of them they are average, or some of them they are not below average, isn't? They are below average also, but then also they are loved by everyone, they are loved by all. Why? Because they used to behave well, they behave properly, they listen to the teachers, they listen to the parents. So over and all, along with all the qualities, the nature and the behavior, it should also be fair and good, because that also matters a lot. Because if you are not going to be good natured, if you are not going to be good from your heart, then you are not going then you will not be loved by the people in the society. Okay, so that's all for today. This was all about the poem. So what your work, your homework for the day is that first of all you have to go through this poem, and the second thing that you have to write down the 8 lines of this poem. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 till here. 8 lines of the poem you have to write in your copy. And as you can see here, these meanings also, after writing the 8 lines of poem, you have to write down these meanings in your copy. Okay, can you see? I think that some of you have got the books also, so easily you will be able to do that. So this is the work for today. So thank you and have a good day.